Welcome to Tanu Science. In this video, we will learn the answers for science part, that is section C, from entrance exam for Sainik School admissions for class 9th, which is conducted today 9/1/2022. In this video, we will see answer for 12 questions, totally 25 questions. So remaining 13 questions we will see in part 2. First question, loudness of sound is measured in units of decibel. Option 1 is the right answer. It is easier to swim in sea water than in river water because sea water is more dense than river water due to the presence of salt. So option 1 is the right answer. Third one, the full form of LED is light emitting diode. Option 1 is the right answer. Fourth one, when an object moves closer to a concave lens, the image formed by it shifts towards the lens. So if object moves towards the concave lens, then image also moves towards the lens. Fifth one, a toy car released with the same initial speed will travel farthest on polished marble surface. So option 2 is the right answer. Sixth one, the loudness of sound depends on its amplitude. Option 1 is the right answer. Question number 7, a cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Option 2 is the right answer. Eighth one, a rubber sucker when pressed on a surface sticks to it because atmospheric pressure acts on it. Option 2 is the right answer. Ninth one, when the applied force is doubled on an object and the object is still at rest, then friction becomes. So friction also becomes doubled. If the object is at rest, applied force must be equal to the friction force. So if applied force is doubled, then friction also doubled. 10th one, a small hole P is made in a piece of cardboard. So this is cardboard. A small hole is made in piece of cardboard. The hole is illuminated by a torch as shown in the figure. This is torch. The hole is illuminated by the torch. The ray of light coming out of the hole. So the ray of light from the torch passing through the hole and coming out of the hole, and it's on the mirror. Then at which point should the eye be placed so that the hole can be seen? So at which point we have to keep our eye to see the hole? At point A, point B, point C, point D. Yes, at point A we have to keep our eyes to see this hole because angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So if we take this is angle of incidence, this will be angle of reflection. So in that concept, we have to keep our eye at point A to see the hole. So option 1 is the right answer. 12th one, a cube of side 0.2 meter rests on the floor as shown. So this is cube of floor. So dear students can adjust, this is cube. So this is cube. This cube is placed on the floor as shown. Given that the cube has a mass of 50 kg. So mass of this cube is 50 kg. The pressure exerted by the cube on the floor is. So we have to calculate pressure. Given acceleration due to gravity 10 Newton kg inverse. So we have to calculate pressure. We know that pressure formula P is equal force acting per unit area, that is force per area. Force formula M A, then A is area. For A, the given acceleration due to gravity, so mg by A. We know the value for mass. So mass here given 50 kg, G 10 Newton kg inverse, then A we have to find out. The given side value of cube, we know that area of cube is A square. So A is equal 0.2 whole square. So this value 0.9. 0.04 meter square. Now we can substitute in this formula mass value 50, G acceleration due to gravity value 10, A value 0.04. So this is 500 by 0.04. If we divide, we'll get answer 12,500. Unit of pressure is Newton meter power minus 2. So option fourth one is a right answer. 12,500 Newton meter power minus 2. Thank you, students.